Hi foodies, a very big welcome back to my channel. On today's menu, we are making okra stew. It's a very different method of making the okra stew, so I would like you to stick through with me as I teach you how to make this delicious meal. We started off by marinating our meat, or I'm going to just season it with my spices and put it down to marinate for about an hour, and then later I'll cook it. While that's going on, I'm also going to go ahead and then chop my garden egg. Like I always say, garden eggs are quite harder than the okra. So you first start by boiling the garden egg, and then for the first, I'm going to use my food processor to chop in my okra. I just want to see how it turns out, and it came very nice. It was very small and then very slimy as well. But as I would like it very chunky, I went ahead to also chop the whole okra, okay, quite big enough so I can have it chunky in the okra stew. Now, while that was done, I went ahead to check the garden egg, and when it was ready, quite a little softer, I went on to add in my okra to it to boil together. Okay, but don't overcook it. Now, I went back to check on the meat, and it was quite soft, not too soft. But then I had some other proteins I had to add to, which is the crab, the beef, the wele, and other stuff. So I went on to add it to so that it could cook all together and become soft like I will want it. Now, like I said, it's a very different method of cooking the okra stew, and I would like you to stick through with me. But let me ask, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Have you liked this video? Please do not forget to subscribe and like, and also share to your friends and family. It's the only way I'm quite motivated. Trust me, it is not easy doing this YouTube thing. And so please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also at least engage me in the comment section. Tell me something nice, something bad, anything you want. Now let's continue our meal. I came back to check meat. Went in with my jute leaf. The reason I'm adding the jute leaf here is because I don't want to overcook the okra, and so I want the meat to be quite softer together with the jute leaf, and that's why I'm adding to it. And so the point where I add in my okra, where I know everything is quite ready. Now just look how beautiful this okra turned out. It's so thick, slimy, and very juicy. Next, I'm going to mix all of this together and then give it a very good stir. Make sure everything is incorporated very well and everything is well mixed inside the okay. And if I find it to be very thick, I'm just going to add in some water. We'll go ahead and add in the rest of my protein, the fish and the smoked fish, and there are others. And for those who like oilless okra, guys, this is the way to go, okay? And so you can just end it here perfectly by just adding your seasoning cube or the salt to taste, and that's okay. Your oilless okra is just there. There's no other method. There's no other technique for oilless okra. You can be extra by just adding some fish powder. It elevates the taste of this okra stew, and so you may just want to try it. It's optional though, but you may just want to try it. And so for oilless okra, yes, that's it. Like that's it. As we are done here. But if you want the oil on top of it, then you could just go ahead and just add in your oil on top of it. Like I said earlier on, the stew was quite thick, and so just make sure to add in the water. But I garnish with some pepper, and then like I said, I'm going to add in some oil and mix all of this together, and that's it. Voila, our okra stew is ready. You will realize that this method is quite different for the others that I've made if you check my page so far. But then again, we've achieved the same result, and it tastes even much more better than what you used to know. So if you want to try this, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I can't wait to hear from you how this went when you tried it. Guys, my voice is lost, and so just pardon me and try this recipe. You will love it. But until we meet again, just keep having fun and enjoy yourself in the kitchen. And yes, you're going to meet in my next video. So ciao and take care of yourself. Bye. Have a lovely weekend.